Welcome to Academic Gain Tutorials. In this video, we will discuss about dividend break-even income calculation for funding healthcare costs. To begin with, this calculation helps us understand how much dividend-paying investment wealth may be needed to create monthly income for healthcare expenses. Healthcare costs can increase over time, so having a dividend income plan may help support medical bills, insurance premiums, medicines, checkups, or other health-related expenses. First, we define the monthly healthcare income goal. In this example, the target is $1,000 per month. This means the investor wants to receive around $1,000 every month from dividends to help cover healthcare costs. Next, we convert the monthly goal into annual income. Since there are 12 months in 1 year, we multiply $1,000 by 12. As a result, the required annual dividend income becomes $12,000. This annual number is important because dividend yield is usually calculated on a yearly basis. After that, we estimate the average dividend yield. In this example, the assumed average dividend yield is 3.5%. Dividend yield shows how much income an investment may generate each year compared with the total value of the portfolio. However, the actual dividend yield can vary depending on the selected stocks, funds, taxes, fees, dividend changes, and market performance. Now, we calculate the required portfolio value. The formula is annual income divided by dividend yield. So, $12,000 divided by 3.5% gives approximately $342,857. This means that, before adding a safety margin, an investor may need around $342,857 invested at a 3.5% yield to generate $12,000 per year. Then, we build a safety margin. This step is especially important for healthcare planning because medical costs, inflation, taxes, fees, market changes, and dividend cuts can affect the final income received. In this example, a 10% safety margin is added. So, $342,857 multiplied by 1.10 gives approximately $377,143. Therefore, the final break-even wealth target is about $377,100. This is the approximate portfolio value needed to help fund the target healthcare costs, assuming a 3.5% average annual dividend yield and a 10% safety margin. In other words, if an investor builds a portfolio worth around $377,100 and it yields 3.5% annually, the expected dividend income would be about $13,199 per year. When divided by 12 months, that equals approximately $1,100 per month, which slightly exceeds the original healthcare cost goal of $1,000 per month. Finally, remember the key lesson. A higher dividend yield may reduce the portfolio value needed, while a lower dividend yield may require more capital. Also, reinvesting dividends and adding new money consistently can help the portfolio grow faster over time. It is also important to review the target regularly because healthcare costs, dividend yields, taxes, fees, inflation, and market conditions can change. This is only an estimate for educational purposes and should not be considered financial advice. Actual results may vary based on taxes, fees, dividend changes, healthcare inflation, and market performance. If this short video was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.